Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to work on the F30, the BMW 3 Series F30. Recently I just received the new candle grills, so pretty much the new ones will look like them. Those ones are pretty much the same as the ones from the new 4 Series, the G generation. So I have the old grills from the old 4 Series generation, and now we're pretty much gonna install the ones from the new generation. Let's go. You pretty much are gonna need a T30 and a T20 for those screws over here, all of them, to open them up all the way around. So that's what I'm gonna start with. First things first. I pretty much took all those screws out from here. Now I'm gonna slowly try to take, you see those clamps in there, push the grill a little out so I can at least sneak my hand in there. You see those clamps? Let me show you on those ones. So you basically have to push those down. See those? You push those down so you can pull it out. Here we go. That's how it looks with the new ones, and those ones are the old ones. Super simple. Now I'm gonna take this other one also out, the right one. Here do we have the final product. I love it how it turned out. Looks really nice. The look of it, awesome. Makes the whole car look newer. Nice. Hope you guys enjoyed this installation. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.